Hi all, good morning. Welcome to my new channel AK's Math Academy. We are going to learn maths in a very simple way. So first, we are going through class 10 maths chapter called trigonometry, very interesting chapter called trigonometry. So first we'll go to the concepts of trigonometry and then we'll solve the exercise, the first exercise of this chapter. So before going into trigonometry and going through the concepts of trigonometry, let me ask you a question. What is trigonometry and why do we use it? Where do we use it? I think most of you haven't know about it. So let me explain. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is nothing but it's a branch of mathematics which deals with the functions of angles to calculate faraway distances, heights, etc. So have you ever wondered how do scientists calculate distance from Earth to Sun and from Earth to the stars, everything? How do they know it? It's all based on trigonometry. And how do we calculate the heights of buildings? It's also based on trigonometry. It's an application of trigonometry. For calculating heights and all, we use a device called, or an instrument called clinometer, which helps us to give the heights using trigonometry. So let's go to the first concept of trigonometry. So before going to the first exercise, this concept is very important. It's nothing but trigonometric ratios. So what are trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios are of 6 kinds. They are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. To make it convenient, we are only saying for pronouncing sine for sine, cos for cosine. Instead of pronouncing tangent, we are pronouncing tan. Instead of pronouncing cosecant, we are only saying it cosec. Instead of saying it as secant, we are saying it as sec. And instead of saying cotangent, we are only saying it as cot. Now let's see what are these 6. So yeah, we have seen what are trigonometric ratios. There are 6 kinds. So they are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now let's see what it is. So see, sine, cos, tan. I have written the first 3 trigonometric functions and the rest 3 are cosec, sec and cot. So it's nothing but cosec, let me write here, cosec, sec and cot. Now I have written it correspondingly, right? With sine correspondingly to cosec, cos corresponding to sec. You know why I have written? Because they have a relationship between them. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. That is, cosec is equal to 1 by sine. And sec, which is equal to 1 by cos. Tan, which is equal to, like tan for cot, tan have a relation, so 1 by tan. So these are the relations between sine and cosec, sec and tan with cot. So these are the relations. Now let me explain what are these. So let's make a triangle first. So to apply trigonometry, first we need a triangle. We can only use trigonometry with help of triangle. So let me draw a triangle first. A right angle triangle. Trigonometry can only be applied to a right angle triangle. So let's consider a triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, and let theta be an angle here. Let theta be an angle. See, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a function of angle, right? So sine, we cannot write it as sine itself. There should be some angle. Sine is a function of an angle. Similarly, cos is a function of angle. Tan is a function of angle. All 6 trigonometric ratios, it's a function of angle. So sine, cos, tan. And what is cosec? Cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta. Sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is what? 1 by tan theta. Okay. Now see, ABC triangle. So like if we get some triangle like this and there is a theta here, an angle theta, an acute angle theta. Theta is like mostly acute angle. So if we have an acute angle theta here, we'll look everything with respect to theta. With respect to theta, what is opposite side? We are writing that. Opposite side means AB, right? So I'm denoting AB with a letter O. Opposite side. And what's adjacent side? Adjacent side is this, like BC, right? So I'm denoting it with A, capital A. Okay? And what is hypotenuse here? AC. The longest side is hypotenuse. Or we can say the side which is opposite to right angle, 90-degree angle of a triangle is hypotenuse. So you have three sides: adjacent side, opposite side, hypotenuse side with respect to theta. Now they have a relation. Let me explain it to you. So sin theta can be written as opposite side divided by hypotenuse. With respect, if you are writing sin theta, sine of this angle will be equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So yeah, I haven't said you this before. So tan theta, it have a relation. I thought you would explain at this point of time, so you can get it cleared up. So see, tan theta has a relation between sine and cos. It's nothing but it's a ratio of sine theta divided by cos theta. So tan is sine theta by cos theta. So sine theta, what is sine theta? O by h. Let me write it here. O divided by h. And what is cos theta? A by h. I'm just substituting it. See, we have an h in numerator and h in denominator, right? So we can cancel out this two. What is remaining? Opposite side divided by adjacent. So tan theta can be referred as opposite divided by adjacent with respect to angle theta. Yeah. Similarly, now I have said you, what is cosec theta? What is cosec theta? It's a reciprocal of sin theta, right? Reciprocal of sin theta means 1 by sine. What will happen if we inverse it? It will become h by o. So cosec theta is h by o. Now what is sec theta? I am writing it here. What is sec theta? Sec theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos. So what will happen if you inverse cos here? It will become a by h will become h by a, right? So yes, let's summarize it for today. We have learned about 6 trigonometric ratios. What are those? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. And for sine theta, what is sine theta? Sine theta is O by h. O means opposite side and h means hypotenuse side with respect to angle theta. And second thing is that trigonometric ratios can only be applied to right angle triangles. So see, in order to apply sine, cos, tan, anything, we need a right angle triangle first. Because without right angle triangle, you cannot apply it. Okay? And tan theta is O by a. So cosec theta h by o, sec theta h by a, and cot theta a by o. Now I have said you about the relationship between sine and cosec. What is it? Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine. That is, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. And similarly, sec and cos have a relation. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos, reciprocal of cos. And last, tan theta. What is tan theta? Like tan theta and cot theta have a relation, right? So what is that relation? Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And tan theta have a relationship between sine and cos. What is that? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan. So cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sine theta. So these are the concepts which I have learned today, and we will see. We'll go through the problems of first exercise trigonometry in the next class. Thank you.